Operation Tulong USA.
Thank you very much and mabuhay. Muli tayo nagsasayin papawid mga Kapilipino sapagkat nagagalak ang ating maliit na studio dahil meron tayong kakaibang uri ng bisita rito. And I'm very thankful for a Switzerland banker dropping by to our small studio here. And I'd like to introduce to you Beverly Tai. And thank you very much for dropping by in our studio, Miss Tai.
Yeah, I'm so glad I'm here today.
And we have launched a project which is the $1 One Factory OFW Industrial Revolution for making a big contribution to the progress of our country, the Philippines. And what can you say about this as a banker?
Yes, actually, that's the reason make me come here today.
Wow.
Well, since the last time, we met in, my office the other day, and you mentioned that the $1 project, that was always in my mind. Mm-hmm. After I digest, honestly, I think it's very touched. And I think that's great project because, $1 project looks like easy because everybody can do it. Mm-hmm. But once we make everybody come together, do the $1, that's huge. Because as a banker, I know how huge that $1 can be. And also, I will strongly even suggest some other client from some other country, can follow. This is great idea. That's why today I come here, actually it's for your $1 project.
Wow, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our $1 One Factory project. And thank you very much, Miss Beverly Tai, a Switzerland banker, imagine, dropping by to our small studio. Thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mga Kapilipino, yan po, nagibisita natin si Miss Beverly Tai. Ang nakatutuwa at kinasisiya ng inyong lingkod dahil sa liit ng ating studio ay nag-a-attract ng maraming atensyon dahil dito sa OFW Industrial Revolution $1 One Factory. Mabuhay po kayo at asahan na nalalapit na ang pag-unlad ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Ang inyong kaagapay sa hirap at ginhawa, ang inyong Kuya Manny Calpito po. Salamat at mabuhay, nag-iiwan ng pagkain kaisipan. Ang utang na loob ay hindi dapat bayaran, sa halip ito ay pasa. Salamat po at mabuhay.